In a vibrant jungle where the trees danced to the soft whispers of the wind, once a year, a magical event took place, the Grand Animal Parade. Zippy, the curious zebra with stripes that swirled like peppermint candies, had heard tales of this legendary parade from his grandfather. The very thought of the parade made Zippy's hooves tingle with excitement. Every creature, big and small, eagerly awaited the parade day, for it was a time when all animals came together to celebrate their diverse talents and unique qualities. This year, Zippy was determined to take his first march in the procession. The night before the parade, under a sky sprinkled with twinkling stars, Zippy practiced his prancing steps. His best friend, Mitzi, the perky parrot, flew by to encourage him. "Don't worry, Zippy. Just follow the beat and let your heart guide your hooves," she chirped. Finally, the morning of the parade dawned. A delightful cacophony of animal sounds filled the jungle. Elephants trumpeted, setting the grand rhythm. Monkeys swung from the lush green vines, adding playful chattering to the melody. The exotic birds painted the air with their melodious tweets, and the bunnies bobbed up and down, synchronizing their hops to the beats of the jungle drum. Zippy joined in, his movements a joyous ripple, stretching his neck high and prancing in step with the music. Mitzi flew above, cheering him on, her flight adding dazzling spirals above the parade. As the parade moved through the jungle, animals joined. The towering giraffes elegantly swayed their necks, hippos wiggled in sync with the beat, and turtles even tapped along from their cool pond. The parade wound its way through the jungle, eventually reaching a vast grassy clearing for a grand feast. Fruits of all kinds piled high as Zippy and his friends enjoyed the feast, sharing stories and laughter. In that moment, Zippy realized that the parade was more than just a celebration of talents. It was about coming together and celebrating friendships. The simple joy of dancing along with the rhythms of life was evident. And so, under the canopy of the jungle sky, the animal parade continued, a vibrant tapestry of life, laughter, and camaraderie, welcoming all who wished to join its joyful march.